Hey, what's up, friends? I hope you're already feeling this Christmas vibe. Today, I want to share an idea I've had for a while. I always thought about using AI for trading, but honestly, the way it's implemented on most platforms didn't impress me at all. I tried using ChatGPT, traded real time, but it's also not working. You can see the full video about this. ChatGPT can't read charts in real time the way I do, but let me use it like assistance to set up my favorite strategy, Impulse Sniper. I decided to run a new experiment, and you will see this first. Let's start this experiment. I decided to run a new. I fed ChatGPT all the data from my favorite strategy, Impulse Sniper, and asked it, what settings would you recommend for 3-second scalping? Let's see what the answer is. Well, as you can see, we have the answer. And let me just set up right now. Well, go to Bollinger Bands and moving average. Bollinger Bands period 7 and deviation 2. And I will remove this middle line. We don't need it. Well, and here, something special. To be honest, the ChatGPT recommend me 7, but I add 2 because this is also my experiment, not AI experiment. So this is the settings. Well, let's move forward. First trade, 100, not good. Anyway, another 100 is okay. For this experiment, I do have 1770 just to trade myself. Well, let's see here. Today, you guys will see so much trades. For 10-minute session, you will see so much trades. Let's go for 200 now. Let's trade like a big guys. Another one. It's also minus. Whoa, it's okay. It's just an experiment. Let me open another trade. But for 500, I will use martingale now. Martingale multiplicator. Let's try to catch a lower impulse. Okay, you see, we catch it. Well, it's good, it's good. Quick reminder, every Friday, run giveaways on my channel. The bigger our community grows, the bigger the prizes you will have. So stay tuned. Today you understand. Oof. Again, zero. Zero profit, but zero lose, 200. Just back. Well, guys, stay tuned about giveaways. Stay tuned about my copy trading service. Follow Telegram channel. Follow this channel. I'm doing my best to grow this community. You see how much experiments. If you will open this channel videos, wow, guys, you will see hundreds of different experiments with trading. Well, 600. Oof, it was painful. It was painful. 1000 trade. Oof. Well, I'm talking too much. Let's go all in now. 1000. Yes, we're going back on the track. I want this last one because you guys with me. Because you guys with me. I'm sure about this. Let's do it. Nice impulse, $400. Ah, no. Okay, let's go to 300 and we still have some money. Oh, to cover the losses. Okay. Another one. Yeah, this is a good pair. Why it's so difficult today? Why it's so difficult today? Boom. We almost came back. But, guys, still, the road is too long. No. I need to do something with these settings. Anyway, 600. Okay, not bad. Green light. Green light. You know that 3-second trading is crazy aggressive and it's crazy not predictable, but we have a strategy. We have this. And I'm doing my best to practice this in different shapes, in different setups. Today, we're using ChatGPT setups from... Okay, guys, we going back now. I love this feeling. Another one. 400. Boom! Another win. Okay, let's go for 500 now. This is emotional, yes. High adrenaline trading, yes. But I personally enjoyed this model. Another one. Another one. Another 500 minus. It happens. Hey, 1000 plus. Okay, another 1000. In the profit again. I love to see it. 500 more. Let's do it. Okay, 2000. Yes, we're growing. Another impulse, 500. Boom. Great. 6,500 now. Okay. 1,500 more. And it's all minus. Guys, I'm going with 2,500. And this is a big win, the biggest of the night. Well, let's see. Looks like this already sideways. Okay, let me be carefully. 500 plus. Small one, but good one. Christmas candies. Let's just avoid sideways. Just let's pick the proper signals. Not like this. I'm going for 1000. Minus, and this is the big one. This is the big win. You see? Wow, I love this sound a lot. Okay, guys. Let's think positive. 500 here. 2000 here. Boom. Well, maybe the last trade. What do you think? I think the result is already amazing. We start from 1,700 and now, you see, but I just want to pass 10,000. Just a small goal for today. What can I say? The settings from ChatGPT was not bad. Well, guys, now it's a beautiful number, 10,100. I will practice more with these settings. It's an amazing result, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you enjoyed this session, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Also subscribe to my Telegram channel. Over there, daily trading sessions, live and trading tips, and great people there. Also, just a quick reminder that every Friday, guys, there's a free giveaways from me, from my personal pocket. Where is my pocket? Yes, here, from here. I will send you money. The bigger channel, the bigger prize will be in these giveaways every Friday, guys. All the links and all information in the description and a pinned comment. Thank you for watching. I'm sending you a big hug. And as always, guys, be smart. Trade fast. Trade also smart. And see you in the next video. I already have a great idea what I will show you. Peace.